Today's video, we're gonna work on getting this HVAC taped and wrapped with some of that radiant barrier. So I'm gonna work on this big return, and then I'll probably start working on these other two vent pipes or returns, whatever the heck they are. And I wanna work on getting them taped and wrapped, and then get the wrap taped on there real good. So those things are double air sealed. And then I'll work on this fourth one, and I'll leave an opening for each of my cuts. Because I marked the hole in this big one the other day. That's not supposed to have a cut in it. So I'm gonna wrap it so I don't accidentally do that. And then remark this one after I dry it off. So I hope you enjoyed today's clips. If you have any questions about what I'm doing today, make sure to drop a comment in the comment section, like, share, and subscribe.